Good morning, guys. Today I welcome to you all to the Java lab session, that is PCS 408. Today we will be learning file handling. File handling is a simple topic, so let's get started with an example. Mm, How to create a file with the help of Java. First of all, create a Java class with the name of handle file, that is camel case notation I have used, then public static void main and finish. After the main section, you have to create a class. I have to give the name of the class, and we have to do the object creation. Right now it is giving an error. Later on we will solve it. So for properties, go go into the desktop, copy one of the paths of a file, and just paste it inside this parenthesis. Just remember, you have to give the new file's name here like this, and these slashes should be double, and you have to give double inverted commas also. Just follow how I did it. You can see this is giving error. It is saying that create a class file. We will do that, but afterwards. First I need to show you how you will be creating a file. So after file f equals to new, you have to give a if statement, and I'm just capitalizing the first letter of this object I've created with the class file. If After if, we are going to write f dot create new file, and make and after that, inside if, just write system dot out dot println method, and inside it file successfully created. So what this f dot create new file did is it created a new file. Now in the else statement, just write system dot out dot println again, and inside it you have to say just file already exist. I will tell you what it does afterwards. So we have done both of the works, but right now it is showing error. So for the error, what we have to do is that these classes okay, these classes are in the location of java.io package, so we have to import that package and do how I did it. So after that, this it says f dot create new file throws an exception. So what you have to do is you have to use try and catch. So how we are going to use try and catch? First copy all of these and then start with the try. Could just paste a whole segment here, and after that give the catch block. Inside the catch block, you guys are already smart, you know what you have to do. Catch, inside the catch you have to say IO exception, I space I. Inside this, say system.out.println and exception handled. If the exception will be coming, so it will handle it. It is one of the two methods that is used to reduce it is used to handle the exceptions. Now it says that file has been successfully created. Where it has been created, this you can see on the desktop. I can open it and you show you. So this is how we do it. And the another method how we are going to do is we have to just bypass it. And for bypassing the exceptions, what do we do is we use throw. So by deleting whole this try and catch blocks, what you have to do is, after the main method where it has been written, just write throws IO exception. That's it, guys. I think all our work has been done. Just run and so Java application. It says file already accessed because we have checked it already. So the file has been created successfully, and we have used two ways to handle the exceptions coming in this uh, uh, program. Now we should do something else with this. Inside the if we have to write f dot exist, it is for if the file exists, and new file dot txt exists in our system. So system dot out dot println will say we will use this for file name. For getting the name of the file, we will use f dot get name. So this is used for getting the name of the file. Now we will just copy and paste it again and again for showing you different methods for getting different things out of a file. So for the file location, it says we will use 5.get absolute path, and again for the if finding if the file is writable or not, we will use we will f dot can write, and then system.out.println, and then we are asking for the computer if the file is readable or not. So this can be done with the help of f dot can read. Now this statement is for the file size. So we will say we will use f dot length here, and after that inside else we will say that the file, if file is not there, then only else will be called. So we will say the file doesn't exist. I have written the wrong spelling, sorry. So I might correct it. Yes, file doesn't exist. If the file is not there, then only the else will be called. So we are going to run it as, now you can see in the console, file name is new file.txt, location is users, and in the desktop you can see it is there, right there. Then the file is writable true, readable true, size is 0 because we don't have anything inside the file. So let me show you one of the thing what we can do with our file.